ये 7 तरीके आज बताऊंगा। तो ये 35 मिनट्स का लगभग ये वेबिनार रहेगा ऑन हाउ टू बिल्ड विल पावर। मेरा नाम रचित गांधी है और पिछले 15 साल से मैं आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का टीचर हूँ। आई एम अ वेरी एडवेंचरस पर्सन, इन्वेंटिव एंड इंट्यूटिव पर्सन। With my adventure activities, I organized many adventure camps across India for art of living, लगभग 80 से ज़्यादा। और with my inventive capabilities, I invent a lot of games and I love to conduct those games for everyone. And I conducted more than 200 workshops where I helped kids and teenagers to develop their sixth sense. और आज हम बात करेंगे विल पावर के बारे में। डिटर्मिनेशन अगर स्ट्रांग है तो हमारा विल पावर बढ़िया है, पर ये डिटर्मिनेशन डिस्ट्रैक्शन की वजह से कभी कभी कम हो जाता है। तो कैसे इसको इंक्रीज करेंगे? तो पहला टिप ये है कि जब भी हम शुरुआत करते हैं, याद रखें, गो स्लो एंड स्टेडी। हमारा मन जो है ना, वो एक जंगली घोड़े जैसा है और माइंड इज लाइक अ वाइल्ड हॉर्स। पहले वाइल्ड हॉर्स को जब भी पकड़ के लेके आते थे जंगल से, उसको लाने के बाद उसको है ना बहुत दिनों तक एक बैरिकेड में बांध देते थे, खुला छोड़ देते थे। आफ्टर फ्यू डेज, 15-20 डेज, दैट सेम वाइल्ड हॉर्स उसको फिर एक रस्सी बांध देते थे, 100 फुट की रस्सी। उसके बाद 15-20 डेज, once the horse gets used to getting tied up with a rope, then they reduce the distance to 80 feet. And then further, they reduce the distance to 60 feet. So after every 15-20 days, वो रस्सी को कम 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 करते हैं और फिर वो 3 महीने के टाइम में लगभग वो 6 फुट की रस्सी पे आके बांध देते हैं। 3 months। अगर वो जंगली घोड़े को पकड़ के लेके आए और तुरंत अगर 6 फीट की रस्सी से बांध दे तो क्या होगा? वो घोड़ा जिसको आजादी की आदत है, नॉट यूज टू गेटिंग टाइड अप, he will use all his force and he will run away. ऐसा ही हमारा मन है। और माइंड इज लाइक अ वाइल्ड हॉर्स, is not, ready to get disciplined easily. So we have to tame our mind like a horse, slowly and steadily. तो अगर हमें कुछ चीज शुरुआत करनी है, if we want to start something, okay, I want to do Surya Namaskar every day. So let me start with 20 Surya Namaskar every day. And we start. और करते हैं 2-3 days, we go on, and after that our enthusiasm goes down and determination goes weak, and then we discontinue it. So instead of starting immediately with 20 Surya Namaskar, I will say start with just 2 sets of Surya Namaskar, 5 minutes. 5 मिनट रोज करते रहिए 15-20 दिन तक। Continue that and without a break. Come what may, don't give up on that. Just 5 minutes. It's very easy. मन को ना easy way ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। And when it's very easy task, it will be ready to do it. So 5 minutes every day for 15-20 days. And then when the mind is ready, it's adapted, got habituated to this, then you double that time. Make it into 10 minutes. 5 मिनट का 10 मिनट कर दीजिए। Continue that, come what may. Don't miss that for another 20 days, a month. And then make it 20 minutes. Instead of starting something immediately for 20 minutes, for half an hour, हम जिम में जाते हैं, 1 दिन करते हैं, 2 दिन करते हैं, 3 दिन करते हैं, 4 दिन, 5 दिन के बाद, हफ्ते के बाद फिर टाइफus, stop going to the gym. Immediately वो माइंड को हम अगर वो बांध देंगे, it will not be ready for it. So go slow and steady to start any new habit, to build your willpower. Similarly, if you want to stop also doing something, अगर आपका स्क्रीन टाइम है, आपको उसको रिड्यूस करना है, you are addicted to mobile, पेरेंट्स कहते हैं टीनेजर्स को रिड्यूस करो, रिड्यूस के बंद कर दो, फोर्स से, प्यार से उसको बंद कर देते हैं। वो 1 दिन, 2 दिन, 1 हफ्ता, 10 दिन बंद कर देता है। Again he takes the mobile, again he starts playing it, फिर से वो कंटिन्यू हो जाता है। But mind is not ready, not trained, not habituated. So instead of complete बंद करने से अच्छा, instead of stopping it completely, reduce just 5 minutes. Instead of 2 hours, play 1 hour 55 minutes. Continue that for 15 days, 20 days. 1 hour 55 minutes से आप उसको ज्यादा मत बढ़ाइए, उसको stick to that, and after 15-20 days make it 1 hour 45 minutes. After another 1 hour 15-20 days make it 1.5 hour, and then so on. So take 3 months of time to reduce it slowly, gradually, and then see your mind will be ready to adapt to that. So my first sutra, my first mantra to build your willpower is slow and steady wins the race. Can we have a slide there, Kritika? So remember, again, slow and steady wins the race. So start something or stop something slowly, go gradually, and then see once the mind is trained, gets habituated, it will adopt easily. Yeah. मेरे ये सब टिप्स सुनकर मेरी कजिन सिस्टर ने एक बार मुझे फोन किया. She said, she got in a habit of eating the chaat. एक आलू चाट मिलता है बहुत स्पाइसी, तो उस आदत में लग गई. वो क्लासेस के लिए जाती थी तो बस से उतरती, वो आलू चाट खाएगी बहुत स्पाइसी, वो उसी के लिए फेमस है, एंड देन शी विल गो टू द क्लास बिकॉज ऑफ स्पाइसी. उसको फिजिकली भी प्रॉब्लम देने लगा और क्लासेस में डिस्ट्रैक्शन, कंसंट्रेशन नहीं होता था स्पाइसी खाने के कारण. नाउ शी वांट टू स्टॉप इट, बट वो जो तीखा खाने से विद स्पाइसी, जो उसको जो किक लगता था, उसको जो आदत लग गया, she was not ready to overcome it. She was struggling. She called me, what should I do, Rachit bhaiya? तो मैंने उसको कहा कि तुम्हारे क्लासेस में तुम्हारे आसपास से और कौन जाता है? Then she said, I have 2-3 friends, they are boring. I said it's okay, but do they enjoy that aloo chaat which you got habituated of eating? She said no, they don't like it at all. इसलिए तो मैं उनके साथ नहीं जाती. मैंने उसको कहा तुम्हें उन्हीं के साथ जाना है. Come what may, you start being with them. So be friends with them, spend time with them. तो उनके साथ जाने लगी. जैसे ही बस स्टॉप से उतरती थी, she used to wait for them and she used to go with them. तो वो रूट ही अलग होता था उनका क्लासेस जाने का. Instead of going like this from a chart person, वो डायरेक्टली क्लासेस को जाते थे, and slowly and steadily she stopped eating. She started being with a person who was not liking it. तो अगर आपको कोई आदत रोकनी है करने से, if you want to stop some habit, start being with a person who is not doing it. Just being with them, spending time with them, will automatically your work will happen. Similarly, if you want to start doing it, बहुत सारे लोग जिम जाते हैं. जिम जाते हैं 2-4 दिन हफ्ते में, उनके वहां पे जिम में फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं. समर वेकेशन के वजह से टिपिकल a lot of teenagers will go there, और वहां पे उनके जैसे फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं और वेरी कैजुअल अबाउट बिल्डिंग, बॉडी बिल्डिंग, जिमिंग के बारे में. एंड देन आफ्टर अ वीक, इंस्टेड ऑफ मीटिंग एट जिम, दे स्टार्ट मीटिंग आउटसाइड द जिम. क्योंकि सबका ही थोड़ा विल पावर ढीला डाला है, इंटरेस्ट इंटेंसिटी नहीं है, did not have so much of intensity to build their body, and they start meeting outside, and after 1 month gym, no more gym, और रह जाता है पूरा पैसा खर्च. Have you observed that? Yes, आपके साथ भी हुआ होगा. So now how to stop it? So instead of working hard on building your body, just be friends with a person who is intense, who is committed, who is focused, who is determined in building his body. Just be friends with him. तो जब भी जिम में जाओ, instead of being with a person who is casual about, not so much interest, not so much having intensity about gymming, start being with a person who is very intense, has a strong determination, willpower. So second sutra, spend more time with a person who is doing it or who is not doing it. Just be friends with them and you will be amazed with the result. आपको कुछ करना नहीं है, बॉडी बिल्डिंग पे काम नहीं करना है, बस फ्रेंड्स बनाने में काम करना है. Got it? Yeah. Abhi, right now I have a bottle with me. So as soon as the class will get over, this webinar will get over, a lot of us will get up. We want to keep this water bottle at the place where it belongs. हम चार्जिंग करते हैं मोबाइल, और मोबाइल चार्जिंग करने के बाद वो चार्जर को हम ड्रॉवर में रखना चाहते हैं, पर हम बोलते चल छोड़ना यार बाद में करेंगे. We postpone it. We tell our mind, we tell our own selves, let it be, or I will do it later. This is not for one thing. If you observe in a day, there are so many trivial things you have to do it. A glass, a charger, keeping the pillow, keeping the bag, keeping the clothes at the right place. It's a very trivial thing. It doesn't require great willpower, great enthusiasm. But what we tell our mind, छोड़ना यार, बाद में करेंगे. I'll do it later. Let it be. So mind got habituated to do things later. He got habituated of postponing things. अगर छोटी छोटी बात को वो पोस्टपोन कर रहा है, तो बड़ी बातों को कैसे कर लेगा, बड़ी गोल्स को अचीव. इट विल बी वेरी वेरी स्ट्रगलिंग एक्सपीरियंस, चैलेंजिंग होगा बहुत. द माइंड व्हिच कैन नॉट I got into a habit of postponing the trivial things will not able to do big tasks, will struggle a lot. So what to do? Very simple thing. Now when you get up after this webinar, whatever small trivial things you have to do, oh my charger, my watch, my whatever, do it immediately. सोचो और कर लो, सोचो और कर लो, सोचा कर लिया, सोचा कर लिया. Train your mind. What are the trivial things come on your way? Train your mind to do them immediately. If the mind gets into this habit of doing trivial things immediately, trivial tasks immediately, you'll be surprised. You trained your mind to do things immediately as the thought arises in your mind. And then the bigger goal, the bigger task will happen easily. So willpower is about training the mind, building the willpower. Willpower has to be built slowly and steadily. So do trivial things, trivial tasks immediately. Socha kar liya, socha kar liya. That's my third tip to you. I was talking about being a friend with a person. Similarly, one of my students called me, Bhaiya, I wanted to do sadhana meditation every day, but it doesn't happen. What should I do? I don't want to do pranayam, but I get bored. What should I do? बोला अरे तुम्हारे बैच में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होंगे ना, वो 30-40 थे. Just call them up, message them, let's do it together, form a group and do it together and see what happens. He immediately acted on that. He called up his friends and they formed a group of 7-8 people and they started doing it. And everyone told me after 15 days, 20 days happened. In lockdown में 2 months, जो 2 महीने में वो hardly 5 times करते थे, 2 months they did it every day. This is the effect of group energy. So alone you will struggle. Remember, alone you will struggle, but in a group you will succeed. Group energy का यही है, So either you form a group or join a group who is already committed to that task, and you'll be surprised. It will be easy cakewalk to achieve any target, any goal for you, whatever you want to do or you don't want to do. Yeah. So that's a 4th tip. Join a group. Yeah. Gather or join a group. Now the 5th, I love dancing a lot. I love gardening a lot. And you must be also having some hobbies, singing or cycling. Alag-alag hobbies hoti hum sab mein. And when we do that, we feel so connected with our own selves. Our positivity increases, confidence increases. We feel so good when we spend some time in our hobbies. जो भी अच्छा लगता है जब करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, कॉन्फिडेंस पॉजिटिविटी बढ़ जाता है. Must do that. कहते हैं ना, apple a day keeps a doctor away. I'll say hobby a day keeps negativity away. So अगर आप अपने नेगेटिव थॉट्स को अपने नेगेटिव थॉट्स को अगर दूर रखना चाहते हैं, नेगेटिव माइंडसेट को, तो पॉजिटिविटी को बढ़ाना जरूरी है। नो, अंधेरे को मिटाने के लिए बस कैंडल की जरूरत है, लाइट की जरूरत है। दैट इज व्हाट योर हॉबीज विल डू। You know, come what may, the parents who are listening to me, you know, one of the mistakes that जैसे 10th standard 12th standard आ जाता है, important exams आ जाता है, most of the parents will tell their child, teenagers, stop playing, stop doing this hobby, गिटार बजाना बंद कर दो, साइकिलिंग बंद कर दो। मैं उल्टा कहूंगा, अगर एग्जाम है, 10th है, 12th है, let them continue with their hobby and you'll be amazed with the result. Because what hobby, it just connects, feels so good. Yes? Isn't it your experience? So hobby a day keeps negativity away. So जो भी negativity को, negative habits को आपको निकालना चाहते हो अपने जीवन से, for that you require a willpower. So easy thing is like do hobby, follow hobby, 20 minutes, 10 minutes every day, whatever, come what may. Next, sixth, all of us, have some good qualities and some bad qualities. सबके पास अच्छी और बुरी qualities हैं. Everyone has some flaws and some shortcomings. You know what? I never worked on my shortcomings. Instead, I always worked on my good qualities. It's very challenging, very troublesome experience to do -5 into -3. -5 को -3 करना बहुत चैलेंजिंग है. It will require a lot of energy, lot of effort, lot of determination. But +5 को +10 करना ज्यादा आसान है. तो जो भी आपकी गुड क्वालिटीज है, उसको be better in those every day. Sharpen them. So when you do those, you become better. Again, that will give you positivity. And then automatically your positivity will help you to get rid of all these negative things. -5 को -3 करना आसान हो जाएगा. You getting my point? So be better in your good qualities. That's my 6th tip. Yeah. You will have to put a lot of effort in correcting a bad habit. Most of the teenager, what I observed is they keep thinking, what is wrong with me? I cannot do this, I cannot do this, I cannot do this, I miss this, I'm not worth this. They know very well what they cannot do. Very good, I say. Write down all the things which you cannot do. जो नहीं कर सकते उसकी पूरी लिस्ट बना दो. Make a list of all the things you cannot do. And then make a list of things which you can do and be better. Keep improving them, keep sharpening them. And I'll tell you, whatever negative things, flaws you want to, bad habits you want to overcome it, this positive energy will help you reduce and eliminate your bad habits. 6 important things. This will require effort, 6 months effort, or maybe 2 years effort, but it will require a consistent effort. But the 7th tip is about effortlessness. उसमें effort की नहीं, effortlessness की जरूरत है. That is breathing exercise. Have you observed, whenever we get angry, our breathing pattern becomes faster, we breathe faster. Whenever we are sad, our exhalations are longer. So there is a direct connection in our breathing pattern and our emotions. हम सब चाहते हैं resolution. Next year, I am not going to be in 21. I am not going to be getting angry. मैं गुस्सा नहीं करूंगा. पर शायद 1 जनवरी को गुस्सा आ जाता है. हाँ. We cannot control that. Our willpower will require a lot of strength on that. But breath can eliminate, can take care of these negative thoughts, negative emotions very easily. You getting my point? Determination will improve when there is a less of distraction, very minimal negative thoughts. And these negative thoughts and negative emotions can be managed very well with the breath. So we get angry, our breathing becomes faster. So vice versa, if we breathe in a right manner, our anger will be taken care of. You know, बहुत धूप है, so you just have to go to the shade. You know, similarly, to stop getting angry, you just have to work on this breathing pattern, and that breathing technique is Sudarshan Kriya. You know, that's the seventh one. To build your willpower, you need to do some breathing exercises and meditation, and you will be surprised. You know, जो 6 चीज करने को आपको बहुत सारे एफर्ट लगने पड़ेंगे, जो 7वीं चीज करेंगे आप, मेडिटेशन एंड ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक, it will give you force, some energy to implement these 6 things. ये 6 चीजों के पीछे एक बूस्टर बटन लग जाएगा करने के लिए, और वो बूस्टर बटन देगा ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज, सुदर्शन क्रिया. You know, I've been teaching since 15 years, and whenever I talk about, you know, stopping some habits and everything, they all know it, all teenagers know it, but after practicing Sudarshan Kriya, they come and they say, I don't know how, but now I can do it. This is the effect. The meditation, breathing exercise will eliminate the negative thoughts, negative emotions, and the mind, which is devoid of negativity, will be determined. Its willpower will be higher. उसकी willpower बहुत ज्यादा होगी, जिसके मन में ज्यादा नेगेटिव, नकारात्मक विचार, नकारात्मक भावना ही नहीं होगी. इसलिए इस नकारात्मक को निकालने के लिए मन को मन से नहीं कर सकते. आप सोचेंगे गुस्सा नहीं करना है, नहीं हो सकता, पर सांस से हो सकता है. अभी ये 24 से 27 हजारों स्टूडेंट ने अक्रॉस इंडिया ये सुदर्शन क्रिया का कोर्स किया, मेधा योगा लेवल 1. और अभी you have one more opportunity to join 2nd to 5th January. And the great highlight about this event, Colors of Joy, in which छोटे बच्चों के लिए भी है, 8 to 13 years उत्कर्ष योगा, and 13 to 17 मेधा योगा, and those who are done मेधा योगा level 1, do level 2, that's मेधा योगा level 2. तो ये सभी courses will help you greatly. मेहनत से 6 चीज कर सकते हो, पर आसानी से अगर कुछ करना है तो मेडिटेशन और ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न. अगर आपको रजिस्टर करने के लिए आपको you just have to go to artoflink.org/ct. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम आपको कॉल करें तो आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में गूगल फॉर्म होगा, तो गूगल फॉर्म में आप जाइए, अपना डिटेल्स भरिए, and we'll call you. Just immediately register for it. You know, after listening to this good thing, did you all enjoy listening to these good things? Yes? Tell me about it in comment box. But one thing, now 7 things I told you, तो होगा क्या? You know, you'll share it with 1 person or 2 person, और फिर शायद आप भूल जाओगे. To remember it, all the 7 things अच्छे से establish होने के लिए, memory में उसका print होने के लिए, share it with 3 people at least. Share this video. Share the 7 tips. All the 7 tips. First tip, be slow and steady. Second, be with the person who is already doing it. Third, do trivial things immediately. Fourth, join a group. Fifth, hobby a day. Will keep negativity away. Sixth, be better in good qualities instead of correcting your bad habits. And 7th, do breathing exercises and meditate. So if you want this, आप चाहते कि इसको अच्छी तरह से आप याद कर ले, तो उसको 3 लोगों के साथ शेयर करो। ये इस चीज के लिए नहीं है, कोई भी अच्छी चीज अगर पता चलती है ना आप लोगों को, ये एक आदत डाल दो मन को, उसको शेयर करो 3-4 लोगों के साथ, 5 लोगों के साथ, 10, जितने लोगों के साथ शेयर करेगा आप उसी में उतना पक्का हो जाएंगे, याद रखने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी। जस्ट स्टार्ट शेयरिंग विथ मेनी पीपल एंड ऑटोमेटिकली you will become thorough in it. Getting my point? Now you're all enthusiastic and passionate and looking forward to join this workshop. But after 20 minutes, what will happen? The same mind will start giving excuses and reasons. वो देखना चालू करेगा, अरे नहीं यार मैं अभी है ना, मेरा एग्जाम है, फिर मेरा मैच है, then I have some online classes. Will start getting into the excuses. This is the tendency of the mind. Come on, awake, be awake. जागो जरा. Mind has a tendency to postpone good things. कोई भी अच्छी चीज है ना, मन उसको पोस्टपोन करने को ही दिखेगा, वो मन की आदत हो गई है. Now this time don't get into this trap of this mind of postponing good things. Just grab this opportunity and just do this immediately. Yeah. If any time after this also, if you have some more question, you can ask me in this chat later as well. You can connect with me on my social media channel, Life Coach Rachit. It was great talking to you. I hope you all enjoyed this session a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you on 2nd to 5th January. And tell me how you completed your new year resolutions. Catch me after 3 months. Would like to hear from all of you.